Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence. In this video, I want to discuss how to represent a sign numbers. Sign numbers means a number can be a positive number or it can be a negative number. The example is, suppose if I want to represent plus 7, how I can represent? If it is a minus 7, how I can represent? So we have three representations for representing a positive number and a negative number. Okay, the first one is the sign magnitude representation, meaning is that we can represent a number whether it is a positive number or negative number using a sign magnitude representation, ones complement representation and twos complement representation. So we will discuss each one: sign magnitude, how to represent a positive number, how to represent a negative number. Similarly, for ones complement, how to represent a positive number and a negative number. And using a twos complement, how can I represent a positive number and a negative number. So first we will discuss about how to represent a positive number using a sign magnitude representation and negative number using a sign magnitude representation. Please remember one thing. In a sign magnitude representation, we will have one bit called a sign bit and the binary number or the actual binary number. See, the sign magnitude, ones complement, twos complement, everything will work for the binary numbers. Okay, so we will convert them into binary number. Suppose if I have a positive number, means I have to represent the sign bit here. If it is a 7, I have to convert into a binary number. Now we will discuss. If it is a positive 7, if it is a minus 7, or if it is a positive number, if it is a negative number, what is the sign bit? For a positive number, the sign bit will be 0. For a negative number, the sign bit will be 1. So 1 is for representing a negative number, 0 is representing the positive number. Okay. Now we will discuss what is this binary number now. So now first let me discuss how to represent a plus 7 using the sign magnitude representation. As it is a plus 7, the sign bit will be 0. Now I need to take the 7 and I need to convert into a binary number. How to convert into a binary number? I hope everyone know. If you does not know, please watch it. 7 you have to divide by 2, you will get a quotient and a remainder. Quotient you keep here, remainder here. Then again further divide the 3 by 2, you will get quotient as 1 and remainder as 1. Now 1 is less than 2, we no need to further divide. So from bottom to top if you take, you will get the bottom value will be the MSB and the top value will act as a LSB. So if you got it, the 7 will be represented as 3 ones in the 3-bit representation. If it is a 4-bit representation, I will write like this. Are you able to understand? This is a sign bit, extra will be there. I don't want to confuse you more. Simply 7 is there. If I want to represent, I have in binary number, I will represent as 3 ones. And this is the sign. Okay. Sometimes people may ask you that represent the positive 7 in sign magnitude representation consists of 5 bits. Let's take that. Using 5 bits, you represent a plus 7 using the sign magnitude representation. Out of these 5 bits, you already know that 1 bit is allocated for the sign bit. What is the sign value here? Is a positive sign. So you have to keep the sign bit as 0. Now remaining 4 bits. Okay. If you convert into binary number, you will get 3 ones. Am I right or wrong? Now this 4th bit, you can keep it as a 0. Remember one thing. If it is 3 zeros and means 3 ones and a 0 or simply 3 ones, it will act as a 7 only. I am not talking about the sign bit. Sign bit is separate. Only I am talking about this one. So either if they represent in 4-bit sign, you out of 4 bits you will take 1 bit for the sign number and the remaining bits are for the binary number. Okay, that is what I want to say. Now the same number, if it is a minus 7, how can I represent using the sign magnitude? It is very simple. As it is a minus 7, the sign bit will have the value 1 and the remaining 7 you will keep it as 1 1 1 here. So this is the a positive representation and a negative representation using the sign magnitude representation. If you have any doubt, let me discuss with another example. If I have plus 15, how to represent it? Out of this n number of bits, how many are they are given? One bit is allocated for the sign bit. So you make the sign bit as 0. Now convert the 15 into binary number. So if you do it, you will get 4 ones. Okay, keep the 4 ones here. So this is the a positive plus 15, how to represent using the sign magnitude represent. Let's take that I want to represent minus 11 using the sign magnitude representation. We will see. As it is a negative number, the sign bit will be 1. Now I want to convert the 11 to binary number. Okay, so 5 is a 1, 2 2 is a remainder 1, 2 1 is a 0. So you got 1 0 double 1. You have to take it from the bottom to the top. So 1 will act as a MSB. This one will act as a LSB. So this is the way we will represent a minus number using the sign magnitude representation. So I hope you have understood. Now we will discuss how to represent using ones complement. Okay, using ones complement representation, how we will do it, we will discuss now. Ones complement representation. Okay, now please remember one thing. If it is a positive number, okay, always you will represent the sign bit as 0. Whether it is a sign magnitude representation, ones complement or a negative two's complement, always the positive number will have the sign bit as 0. For a negative number, the sign bit will be 1. Okay, now I want to represent plus 7 using the ones complement. Okay, now take the sign bit as 0 because it is a positive number. Now represent the 7 normally in the binary number. Okay, I think you know that 7, if I represent it, I will get 3 ones. Okay, so this is a sign bit, this is the actual number in the binary form. Now the same one, minus 7, if I want to represent using the ones complement. Remember one thing, whenever you want to represent any negative number using the ones complement, first represent that number in a positive one. Meaning is that if you want to represent minus 7 using the ones complement, first represent plus 7 using the ones complement. As you know that ones complement, plus 7 will be represented as 0 triple 1, where 0 is the sign bit. Now take that one, 0 triple 1. Calculate the ones complement of it. Okay, calculate the ones complement of it. How to compute the ones complement? If your input is 0, your output will get 1. Okay, if your input is 0, you will get output as 1. If your input is 1, you will get the output as 0. Are you able to understand? So calculate the ones complement of the whole number. As it is a 1, you will make it as a 0. As here it is a 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is a minus 7 to represent in a ones complement representation. I hope you have understood how I have represented minus 7. It is very simple. First represent the plus 7. Calculate the ones complement of it. Let me discuss another example. Okay, I want to represent minus 21 using the ones complement representation. Okay, first you represent the plus 21. Okay, represent the plus 21. How to represent the plus 21? As it is a positive number, the sign bit will be 0. And then remaining bits, you will represent the 21 in the binary form. So how to represent it is 10, remainder 1, 5, remainder 0. So you have the number 10101. So from bottom to top I have represented. So this is the way I will represent plus 21 using the ones complement. Now if I want to represent the minus 21, that is what our question is. Now if you want to represent minus 21, what you have to do? Simply compute the ones complement of plus 21. So if I do ones complement of it, 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is the minus 21 in ones complement representation. So I hope you have understood how to represent a positive number in ones complement and how to represent a negative number in ones complement form. Now we will discuss how to represent a positive number and a negative number using twos complement form. Okay. If I want to represent minus 15 using twos complement, okay, or first let me discuss how to represent a plus 15 in twos complement. As it is a plus number, the sign bit will be 0. Am I right or wrong? Because it is a positive number, whether it is a sign magnitude representation or ones complement or twos complement, the sign bit will be 0. Okay. Now the 15 I need to represent. The 15 I will represent in a binary form in the remaining bits. Okay. So you will get 4 ones if I convert the 15 into binary form. So this is the way we will represent a plus 15. Now I want to represent minus 15 using the twos complement representation. Okay. Now please check it. How to represent the minus 15? For a positive 15, you calculate the twos complement, then you will get the minus 15. Remember one thing, how to calculate the twos complement of any number. Suppose let's take that I want to calculate the twos complement of 1010. First I will calculate the ones complement of a given number and add 1 to the LSB. Now if you see this 1010, for this number if I calculate the ones complement, it will be 0101. For that one if I add 1 in the LSB, it will be 11 if I add, the sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. 1 and 0 if you add, you will get 1, then 0, 1. So this is the twos complement for the given number 1010. I hope it is clear for you. Now for this number 0, 4 ones, if I want to calculate the twos complement, first I will calculate the ones complement. Ones complement will be 1000, 1 4 zeros because you have 0, 4 ones. Now if I calculate twos complement, meaning is that for ones complement you add 1 to the LSB. So if you do it, you will get 1 3 zeros 1. Just represent. So this is the way we will represent minus 15 in twos complement representation. Now we will discuss another example for better understanding. Now if I want to represent minus 37, let's take that. If I want to represent minus 37, first you represent plus 37. Okay. How to represent a plus 37? Sign bit will be 0 and 37 you calculate the binary form. Okay. Or you convert the plus 37 to the binary number system. So if you do it, you will get remainder 1, remainder 0, remainder 1. So this is the way we will convert a 37 to the binary number. What I have done, just I have done the 37 by 2, quotient I kept, remainder. Then further again I have divided quotient, remainder like that. Now from bottom to top we have to take it. So it will be 100,101. So this is the way we will represent plus 37 in the twos complement form. Now I need to represent the minus 37. That is what my question is. Now if I want to represent minus 37 using the twos complement form, then just I need to calculate the twos complement of plus 37. If I do it, first I need to calculate the ones complement. If I do the ones complement, it will be 1011 0, 1, 0. See, I have a 1, I kept it as 0, 0, I kept it 1, 1, 0, 2 zeros are there, 2 ones, 0, 1 is there, 1, 0. So I just, wherever the input is 1, I kept the output as 0. Wherever the input is 0, I kept the output as 1. Or you can, some people will say that it is reverse. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now for this one, if I calculate the LSB, add LSB to the 1, it will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the way we will represent minus 37 in 2's complement form. So with this video, I hope you have understood how to represent a positive number and negative number using sign magnitude, 1's complement representation and 2's complement form. Now let me discuss one important point. Okay. Now if you observe it, okay, if you observe it, any positive number like plus 7, if I represent in sign magnitude or in 1's complement form or in 2's complement form, it is same. Am I right or wrong? How I represented a plus 7 in sign magnitude? As it is a plus number, the sign bit I have taken 0, 3 ones I have represented for 7. If it is 1's complement, same way I have represented. Am I right? Even in 2's complement, I have taken the same way. So if I want to say is, if you have a positive number, it will have the same representation in sign magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement. So I hope you have understood how to calculate or how to represent a sign magnitude representation, 1's complement and 2's complement for a negative number and positive number. Okay, so if you have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.